Brush on Block makes applying sunscreen easy with mineral powder sunscreen and a self-dispensing brush. The powder is stored in the bottom of the brush and flows to the bristles when you open it. To open, twist the bottom just below the logo until it stops. Careful, don't twist off the bottom cap, that holds the powder. Once your brush is open, remove the top cap and slide the sleeve down to reveal the bristles. Flick your wrist downward to start the powder flowing until you see powder in the bristles. Buff the powder onto your skin in a circular motion. Apply to each side of your face for at least 15 seconds, applying an equally generous amount to your neck, arms, and hands, covering all exposed areas. When you're done, slide the sleeve up and replace the cap. Twist the cartridge back to the right to close, and take it with you to reapply.